control. Stop. Aray. Makita ba ng camera yung barang? Oo. Naalala mo yung baraha? Susubukan ko kumuha ng 5 baraha dito. 5 cards. Hopefully, andun yung baraha pinili. Hopefully. One by one, papakita ko sa'yo yung baraha, saka sa camera. One by one, bibigkasin ko rin. Hopefully, andyan yung baraha mo. Okay. Pag andyan, don't react. Okay? Don't react. 4 of clubs, 6 of diamonds, king of clubs, queen of spades, 9 of clubs. Makita mo ba dito sa loob?
Yes, yes. Positive, positive.
Okay. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, lastly 5. Okay. Clip. Hold it tight, but not too tight. After I clap my hands, everybody here sa Starbucks, mararamdaman nila yung low-grade hypnotism. Narinig nyo ba yung low-grade hypnotism? Hindi ba? Hindi ba? Pues, ngayon malalaman nyo. Learn it from me, boy. Ito na, ha? Okay?
Mentalist ako pero di ko alam low-grade hypnotism.
Pag-clap ko, sasabihin yung lahat, ha! Magre-react kayo. Magre-react kayo. Pare, magre-react kayo. Magre-react kayo. Magre-react kayo. 1, 2, 3. Ha! Great. It's working. Kasi ibig ko sabihin, may extra pa. Ibig ko sabihin, naririnig niyo ako pero wala kayong nakikita ngayon. Because I'll be getting 1 card invisibly. And I believe this is your card. Okay, good. 1 card. Face up, inside. Facing up. After I clap my hands again, everybody will be awakened. Much louder. Ah! Like that. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Ah! It's working. Bro, how many cards you're holding?
5.
Makita mo ba dyan yung baraha mo?
Yes, binilang natin eh.
Positive.
Positive.
1 by 1, lagay mo, tiyaya mo, 1 by 1. You're holding 5 cards, you count. Yes, that's 1.
1.
That's 2. That's
3. 4.
Wala na dyan yung baraha mo. Wala na dyan? Wala na? So, ibig sabihin, totoo na may kinuha ko, nilagay ko, nakatiyaya.
Oh.
Yahoo! Wow. That is so amazing. Amazing.
Yahoo! Yahoo! Great magic. Can you say DJ Kale style DJ? Wow.
Matawa sila. Dalawa eh. Parang hindi mag-shota eh. Magkaibigan lang din ang mga.
That will conclude this evening's entertainment.
Thank you very much for joining us tonight. We'll see you tomorrow.